Forever's skincare is specially designed to help you customize a skincare routine to meet your individual needs. With 2 premium skincare systems and several complementary products to target specific skin concerns, Forever has everything you need to care for your skin. Infinite by Forever and the Sonia Daily Skincare System were specially formulated to address 2 of the major skin types recognized by science: dry and aging skin and combination skin. Using the best ingredients from nature, paired with the latest scientific advancements, Infinite by Forever provides a complete system specially formulated for dry and aging skin. This powerful pairing of 4 products hydrates skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promotes healthy collagen levels, and targets aging from the inside out. Made specifically for combination skin, which can fluctuate and vary greatly, the Sonia Daily Skincare System features a high concentration of aloe and other moisturizing botanicals. A revolutionary gel-based technology helps to deliver moisture and botanicals where your skin needs them most, with a light texture that leaves skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Once you have determined whether your skin is best supported by the Infinite by Forever system or Sonia Daily Skincare, you are ready to customize your routine. Forever's facial skincare products are designed to target a specific skincare concern or need, with products like Awakening Eye Cream to diminish the appearance of puffiness and dark circles and significantly reducing the appearance of wrinkles in the delicate eye area. Balancing Toner to refresh, soothe, rehydrate, and minimize the appearance of pores. Smoothing Exfoliator to gently exfoliate and smooth skin's tone and texture. Protecting Day Lotion to shield against harmful UV rays with SPF 20 and moisturize skin. Aloe Activator to moisturize and soothe skin with over 98% aloe vera gel. Aloe Biocellulose Mask with the power of aloe and a unique mask technology to help fight the signs of aging and reduce the appearance of redness. Hydrating Serum to visibly pump and enhance skin's texture, boost hydration, and help minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Forever's range of amazing skincare products truly allows you to customize your routine based on your skin type and specific needs for results that will make you look and feel your very best.